рот, он чуть не вышел.
Кто?
Ну вот, вы что, говорю, сейчас поедете?
Здесь нельзя выходить.
Попить, покушать, а то будете догоните в тамбур. Горячие драники. Возьмите пиво хоть. Сок березовый.
You up for sort of 3-4 meters or something, or maybe I don't know.
Okay.
So yeah, not less.
Okay.
And you're just staying like flying in the air, changing this stuff basically. That's
Pretty
cool.
impressive they do this without
That's
actually
cool.
feeling anything. It's pretty impressive.
It's like kids' toy chest, really.
It's more like a Formula One pit stop, but for trains.
Yeah.
Кондиционеры не работают.
Сейчас нет, здесь же нет электричества, они не могут работать с электричеством, они должны поменять
Yeah.
somewhere away, and they bring Russian rail set instead of it, like wheel set instead of it.
Oh, the wheel set's going to change. Okay, right.
Basically, they pull it under
Yeah.
under the coach, and then they go in and then they go down,
Yeah.
and then they attach,
Okay.
and it's the right back end, so we can basically run forward in Russia. It's for the wheel set. How do you think? No. What's this stuff? What do we need it for? Okay. So sort of helping tool. It helps. Oh, all right.
Does that help jacking
It
you up,
helps.
you think?
It helps to carry like heavy stuff over here.
Okay. Yeah, but now he's. How's he taking it? He's taking it out. Now he's coming in.
No, it's us. Oh shit. He takes something old and he's gonna replace it by a Russia adapted stuff. Let's see, understand. I think it's just to attach the wagons between themselves.
But
Just hold it together. No? It's different, yeah. Oh my god. Our right side neighbor was
yeah, so we've just been jacked
practically
up.
on,
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
the same size. I mean, on the same level.
That's
but
very, very
not
impressive.
now it's been- How do they do that?
I was expecting a very jerky kind of lift up, but it seems as though it's pretty smooth.
Yeah,
again.
you were basically. I was expecting like sort of a turbulence in the aircraft.
Yeah. I just feel nothing at all.
You feel nothing at all.
So we're on our way back down, it seems like.
You're filming?
Brace for impact.
I'm expecting for a big boom.
It's like Apollo 13 docking.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh, I was right about the big boom. I was right about the big boom.
You most certainly do not want to be bench pressing one of these.